All right, with Math 100, lab number 8. I'm going to look at reviewing these standard functions that we're dealing with, or the library functions, or the parent graphs, whichever one you want to refer to those as. So we're going to review some of these. The identity function, y equals x, or maybe they have f of x equals x. It's a straight line, coordinate plane, and it goes straight to the origin up and to the right. Domain of negative infinity to positive infinity. Range is the same. The absolute value graph is, remember, all absolute value graphs make a V shape, whether they open up, down, or shifted around. Domain is from negative infinity to positive infinity. And the range of the graph that I've drawn there is from 0, including 0, up to positive infinity. Okay. The squaring function, the parabola, is similar to the absolute value graph. It's just curved, and it's squares the x values to create the y value. So it's similar to that. The domain of negative infinity to positive infinity, and a range from 0 to infinity, including the 0 there. And then the square root function, which is the inverse of the squaring function, takes that and lays it on its side, and only draws half of it. Starts at 0 on the domain, goes to positive infinity, does the exact same thing on the range. The cubic function is an odd function. It's just like that. Takes the x values and raises them to the third power. Domain and range are both from negative infinity to positive infinity. The cube root function takes that function, lays it on its side, and domain and range, negative infinity to positive infinity. Here's a sideways parabola where the y is squared, not the x. It is not a function, yet it does have a domain from 0 to positive infinity, and a range from negative infinity to positive infinity. Horizontal lines are going to look like coordinate plane. Depending on what number b is, whatever number b is, there's going to be a horizontal line at that number with a domain from negative infinity to positive infinity. The range is only that value that is that y is equal to. On the vertical lines, you have coordinate plane, and whatever value x is equal to, that's where that vertical line is drawn, meaning that that value, in this case a, is the only value in the domain. So if that was x equals 5, then it would be a domain of 5 and a range from negative infinity to positive infinity. And that would be lab number 8.